it's me, Chris. Let's discover something new today. Today we have these cars, and we're gonna roll them down the slide and see which one goes down the fastest. Which one do you think's gonna win? Hey, now we're gonna let these cars go and see which one wins. Wins. Ready, set, and go. Ready, set, and go. Ready, set, and go. Whoa, those cars went fast. Did your guys' car win? Well, I wonder what we're gonna discover next time. Bye.